Okay, guys. So our number 3, organizing, decluttering, downsizing, just in case. So there's the bag you saw me fill, and the box you saw me fill, and there's a new box here because I'm going through my curios. The top is a curio, the bottom is storage, and I have decided with my Christmas dishes, my Princess House Crystal, and the Noritake to only keep 4 place settings. That's the most I've really ever had here for any holiday. And I personally like to use them. So, yes, makes me feel luxurious. So, yeah. So these are items that are just being donated, and I'll show you some more. Thought I'd show you my new lamp, guys. Christmas gift. Needed desperately in the shop. Yes. Put it together. Perfect spot. This is the new bag for donating. Y'all saw the other big bag I used. These are my wood objects. Some of this I did without you. Y'all saw the box of bows. Over here is the box of coffee and candies for Christmas that will be being sealed up and stored away. This area here is all gifts and crafts. This box is the only box that I'm keeping. That's my stuff. Under there, all of this here, you'll be seeing me put back into place. Crafts, Christmas crafts, and Christmas gifts. So yes, definitely in need of some major organization. Yeah. So, and before I even started this series, I sorted out like all my tags and cards and bows and bags and wrapping paper, because y'all know I use wrapping paper for shelf liners, table covers, So anyway, I did sort all that and donate it, and some of it went to the kids at the preschool where I work. And I've also been working on sorting out their stuff from this craft section here to a new home down in the basement, where I keep things separate because this gets a little crazy, and after Christmas it's kind of shut down. It's just a storage area. So yeah, I think separating them rather than trying to go through all this stuff to find the right crafts every week to make lesson plans for these guys and crafts for my preschool guys. And I just came off of, as of yesterday, 67 hours in 8 days of working. So yeah, a little crazy. This is my boxes and bags for framing that I'd like to keep. And this is for my table covers that I'd like to keep. I keep a lot of plain stuff over here. Sort of glittery craft paper, just plain white paper. Y'all will see back in here a lot more of the glittery stuff, just in the colors I use. Gold, silver, turquoise, aqua, what have you. It's my box of Christmas scents here. All scented things. Y'all see, Dollar Tree. Hand soap. Yeah. Okay, box of craft stickers. Holiday craft stickers. That kind of thing. Cards. I still have my sister. My sister has mono, so her card's still in there. And my girlfriend is still up in Pennsylvania. So, yes. That's where we are with this. Y'all are going to watch me do some more, because I'm a mess. Okay. I showed you the Christmas box. There's some miscellaneous stuff there. Tools, cleaned up, glue gun. all my tapes in the right place, all my glues in the back there. This is Mom's gifts. This is some miscellaneous florals. I divide up by color. Y'all see my white ones and my cream ones up there in that bucket facing the wall. Some future projects here and here, and I have a couple more coming in because I told you guys I wanted to redo the buckets, the whatever they are, galvanized, stainless, whatever. They're not my thing anymore. So I just kind of cleaned up my table. It's still a little random. My wax melts go in with my kit. I have a bin in my shop. This is my craft room that I keep my pot and everything for when I do candles. And I use the melts for scent and color sometimes. And I also keep a container of containers that will hold candles in there. So I did want to tell you guys that box up there is not, that's the box of booze. And the other tin one that I showed you is, I separate out all my red ribbon and my red twist ties because I use red a lot, not only for Christmas outside, but I use it for Valentine's outside. The red, I just buy random red ribbon all the time because the red fades. My house, y'all have heard me say, faces the sun. And I use, in the summertime, around Memorial Day, I use red, white, and blue. So I use those red bows and put blue streamers or white streamers, little flags, whatever, red, white, blue stuff on them on the door. So that is, the one on the left is the box of bows. The one on the right just had a random bow in it, and I called it my bow container. But it just was a random red bow I found around that still survived facing the sun this year. So that's that. And then I'm going to wrap you up with a couple more things. And I told you guys, I keep things separated. That's red ribbon up there. This is gold and cream in this one, along with a few other miscellaneous things that may have to go somewhere else when they get their real home, because this is a Christmas box. Okay, we have the wrapping paper out, just the miscellaneous stuff I don't want or use anymore to wrap up the stuff from beneath the curios that I'm going to be selling on Facebook Marketplace. Here, I'm going to wrap it up with this, guys, because this was going to be my dog video for the coffee bar. But I am here to tell you, since LEXI passed the week before Christmas, Loki has not been doing well. Loki is older, and she is part lab, and she has hip dysplasia, and she's really gone downhill. I don't know if it's because she misses her sister or it's just the general age, because the dogs that I had before that had lab in them that had the hip dysplasia, it began around 9 or 10. And both dogs, one dog lived to a month shy of 14, and the other one lived to 12 and a half. So I just don't know if this is an issue with Loki because she's upset, depressed. Obviously, they were poisoned by the dog food. And she was always a struggling dog with that anyway because she has stomach issues, and she often got sick, where LEXI did not. That's why it was so shocking how fast it took her. But anyway, because she's having those issues, this is all down on the level where she doesn't have to do any real steps, just one. But she's on the rec room level, her food, she's comfortable, her blankets, her bed. I have a bathroom there. And, she's comfortable. So I just kind of flung everything in a box. So just not to disturb her, but just sit with her and pet her and love her. And just kind of grab things, throw them in the box. And the only thing I still have left to do, and I probably won't show you guys this, is wrap up my ceramic dogs that I have. I still have 3 down there. So anyway, I hope you like this video. I know it's a bit nuts, because I am a bit nuts, working over 67 hours, not quite 68 in 8 days. So but still trying to do my best to get you guys a video, help you guys organize, and of course get myself organized. So hope this helps. Hope you like. Please like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and I will see you on my next video.